So we are going to program now HT782M portable radio UHF submersible. First of all, we need a programming software from Entel eProg version 3.2 skeleton. So we have the software here, so we'll set it off. Since this program is already on my computer, that is why it is asking for uninstall. If you are using the software first time, this setup will guide you the procedure on how to install the program. It is quite simple and easy. I will quit the setup since my program is already installed. On the second step, if you are using Intel's provided USB to serial cable, which is this one, then Intel will also provide you a driver for it, which is this one. So since my own is already installed, that is why I will not go through this process, but it is quite simple and easy. Once both are installed, we shall plug the cable here and go to the system properties, advanced system settings, and then device manager. So in this device manager, we shall see the COM port it is using, USB to serial COM port 7. If you are not sure, remove it and observe that it has gone out from the screen, and then plug it again. So it has come on COM 7. Let's drop this window down, and now we are ready to program the radio. This is the radio. We have a quick user guide here, and we have an antenna of the radio, which is here. Then the main body of the radio. Let me put it here. Then we have a charger. The radio will slide in here, and then the adapter will connect here. So let's put it on one side again, and then we have the battery of the radio. This is what we need. When inserting the battery into radio, care must be taken to install the antenna first. So now we are going to remove this connector, and this cable will enter here. So everything is ready. So after the installation of the software, you will have this icon on your screen. So let's open it. Alright, now before starting, we should go to port setting and then setting. So make sure you select on the auto and click OK, and then we shall on this radio in programming mode. We have a procedure given by the Entel. Press and hold, press power. Yes, now it is flashing yellow and green. So now it is in programming mode. So the trick here is to release it quickly as soon as you hear the beep. So we are successfully in programming mode. So let's put the radio here and let's read it. Radio is blinking here and it is reading the frequencies. So the information has come here. So general button, settings. This is all the settings about the buttons and how we want to set. So we are not going to change it. Let's leave it on default. On the orange button, which is here on top, on short press ML power, it is not active, so we cannot change it, but on long press we have the options to do certain things. And let's see what we can set for it. So for upper button, I will set it on key lock. Then the lower button, the button we use to put it on programming mode, I will put on beep mute on off. Alright, short press and long press I will put on talk around on off. So these are the settings I have set for my buttons. Press OK. Now let's come to channels. So these are pre-programmed channels from the factory. So we will be setting them according to our own requirement. 655, 630, 580, 555. Let's write it. So the process has completed. Let's put off the radio, remove the cable, and we are ready to test the radios. We on it and wait for the radio to come on. Green light is showing here.
Channel 16.
Channel 16. Let's go back to channel 1.
Channel 1.
Hello, testing 1 2 3. Since I am very close to both of the radios, that is why I am hearing this mic noise, but otherwise they are working. Hello, testing 1 2 3. Hello, testing 1 2 3. So both Motorola and Entel radio they are receiving. So this is all for now. We have successfully programmed our both Entel radios to match with customers' Motorola radio. Thank you very much for watching the video.